Hi everyone, in this video we're going to find the intersection and the union of two sets. So it's a simple example, but it should show you how to find the intersection and union of any two sets where the elements of the sets are listed like this. So A is the set containing pi, negative 1, e, 2, and 4, and B is the set containing pi, 2, e, 1, and 6. Let's start with the intersection. So the intersection is written A intersect B, and the intersection is what the sets have in common. So it's only the stuff they have in common. So they have the pi in common. Do they both have negative 1 in common? No, so it's not in the intersection. They both have 2 and e in common. What about the number 1? No, this one has a 1 and this one has a negative 1. And then 4 and 6, they don't share any of those numbers. So the intersection of these two sets would be the set called A intersect B, and it is the set containing pi, 2, and e. Let's just double check. What do they have in common? Pi, 2e. That's what they have in common, so that's going to be the intersection. Let's find the union of these two sets. So A union B. By definition, the union of A union B is everything in A, everything in B, or everything and everything in both. So it's everything, right? So it's all the elements of A and B together. You're putting them all together, right? They don't have to have them in common. So pi. Now, notice pi is here and pi is here. You don't have to write it twice, right? Just if you have the set pi pi, that's the same thing as the set pi, right? This is the set containing pi and pi. This is the set containing pi. There's no reason to say it twice, so you only have to write the pi once because sets are about containment. When you're talking about sets, you're talking about what's in the set, what's out of the set, what belongs to the set. If pi is already in the set, it can't be in the set twice. So redundant. So just because they both contain pi doesn't mean you write it twice. Negative 1, e, 2, 4. Okay, so that's basically A. Pi, negative 1, e2, 4. Let's go to B. Pi, we already have it. You don't need to write it. 2, we already have it. You don't need to write it. E, we already have it. You don't need to write it. 1, we don't have that yet. And then 6, we don't have that yet. Let's just check that. For A union B, it's basically everything in both sets, right? Everything. So A is pi, negative 1, e2, 4. Pi, negative 1, e2, 4. Now let's go to B. Pi, we already have it. 2, we already have it. E, we already have it. 1, now we have it. 6, now we have it. That would be the union. I hope this video has been helpful. Take care.